Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a subject or anything or any person from an image using the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to the plus icon to open your gallery, and to upload images to Picsart you just have to tap on proceed and choose from this from your gallery any image. And when you have your images, to remove a subject or anything from the image, you just have to tap on tools and go to remove, which is in the second row here. You can set the size of your eraser, for your brush, and then just highlight roughly the subject that you would like to remove. Let's say I want to remove this person from the image, and just tap on remove and just watch and see the magic, how it removes the person and creates a background for it, as you can see. So I think this tool is pretty amazing, and it uses AI to remove a subject. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.